NITRC is the Neuroimaging Informatics Tools and Resources Clearinghouse. It's a NIH contract to build a website that lets people know about all the different resources that are available for functional and structural neuroimaging. It has three major components, one of which is a registry of all the different tools and resources that are available, the second of which is an image repository that helps share and store and distribute data, and the third of which is a computational environment, which takes popular NITRC tools and attaches it to popular NITRC data and makes those easy to run both in the cloud and on local virtual computers. Developers can promote their resources through NITRC. Tool needers can find various tools and resources through NITRC. If you do data acquisition and need to share that, NITRC is your place to go. If you need to acquire data and share data, that's your place to go. NITRC also hosts the discussion forums that are broader than the tools themselves. So if you have a general question about a neuroimaging topic, the NITRC open discussion forums reach developers and users from many different tools. And so general questions that are important to the neuroscience community can be asked there and receive answers from a broad perspective of all the different tool developers. NITRC is free. NITRC is a contract from the NIH to support the entire neuroimaging and community to provide access to these types of information. One of the most important aspects these days in all of neuroscience research is reproducibility. The tools that are necessary to promote reproducible research include better data sharing, better resource sharing, better methodologies sharing, so we can actually get into a new domain of publication of scientific research that is inclusive of the actual data and the actual analysis systems and the actual result of those analyses. NITRC, through the registry of resources, through the image repository, through the computational environment, helps reduce sources of variance in all those aspects.